Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see 10 lines essay on World Children's Day. 1. World Children's Day is celebrated every year on 20 November. 2. It is a special day dedicated to the rights and well-being of children. 3. The United Nations started this day in 1954 to promote peace and understanding among children. 4. It reminds everyone to protect children's rights like education, health, and safety. 5th, schools and communities organize fun activities and programs for children on this day. It teaches us that every child deserves love, care, and respect. 7. Children are the future and they should grow in a safe and happy environment. 8. On this day, kids can share their dreams and ideas to make the world better. 9. Many organizations work together to help poor and needy children on World Children's Day. 10. This day reminds us to always support and empower every child around the world. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.